Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to look at a very cool, very rare 1966 Mercury Comet Cyclone GT convertible. Never owned one of these cars, guys. Factory S code 390 car. I've had some hard tops. I've never had a convertible. They only built 2158 of these cars, and according to CIA, there's only 19 of these things left in the country. Really cool car, factory Jamaican yellow with a factory black interior. So original color combination. Now I'll kind of give this to you how my dad used to say it. Rumor has it that this car has 26,000 original miles. I say that because my dad didn't put a whole lot of stock in miles, and like I say, it's hard for me to believe that either. But there are some things that would make you guess it, and I'll show you that as we go through it. But very cool car, very rare car. You don't see a lot of these things, and I will tell you one thing. I've driven this car a couple of times. It goes down the road really nice. This thing really drives down the road really tight. Older restoration. They say this car was restored over 20 years ago. It wasn't a full-blown restoration. I believe the car has the original interior in it. Bottom of the car is very original. Cool car. Like I say, you can nitpick some stuff, and as we walk through, I'll show you that. You can see it's got the original grill and stuff in it. You know, you can see little things like that. But nice car, and like I say, you want a nice driver, I think you'll really like the way this thing hits the road. Factory Jamaican yellow, cool color combination. Again, little touch-up mark. I'm not trying to pick it apart, guys, but if I see it, I try to show it to you, man. I've been doing this too long. You know, sell 300 of these things a year, man. I tell everybody, none of them are perfect. They've all got little blemishes or something. You can pick at all of them. Again, I believe that that this is all the original interior, guys. Obviously, they've changed the radio and the gauges, those under dash gauges, but the dash is original. I believe all the seats and carpet are original, which is, again, you know, it does, you know, point to it could be the right miles. Really cool color. Jamaican yellow. There is a little touch-up pen in the center console for it too. Again, you look at this stuff's original. All that stuff's original. And in pretty doggone good shape. Check there. No, there was a little one. Yeah, that little stone peck that they've touched up. I like the wheels and tires on. It's got BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Those are also 15-inch style wheels. But the only thing I thought about doing, bumpers are nice on the car. The only thing I thought about doing, sorry about the pollen, guys. It's just out here in full force right now. Just putting a set of double redline bias plies on it, but they look cool, but those bias plies drive like crap, so just don't think I can do it. Good looking car. Again, factory S code 390 car. This is supposed to be the original engine. Now again, car was restored 25 years ago. Some of this stuff is pretty fresh. When I say that, they put a 4-barrel on it, Edelbrock intake, ceramic headers, power steering. It's got power front drum brakes. I'll tell you, the thing stops on a dime, and you can tell underneath that somebody's been putting some new front end components on it. They've upgraded to MSD ignition. This is one thing that I look at on these cars. You can see the front shock towers are clean. Original VIN's still on your core support there. These cars had a problem there, and those shock towers. as well as the Mustangs. You can see it's clean. C6, I think it's C6 automatic trans with a shift kit. Shifts nice and firm. Gauges, dash lights, all that stuff was working. The only thing it wasn't was the wipers, but I looked under here and it looks like it's got a remand wiper motor, so maybe just something's loose. Check the connections. A lot of times that's all it is, really. So you can see it's got a brand new remand wiper motor on it. Kind of pick that A-pillar chrome a little bit. Original remote mirror, and it does work. Door handles look good. This is something that, like I say, points to original. There's the original door rubbers on the car. There's your original door tag. And then look at this. This is a 2014 oil change sticker. Next oil change is 28,232. It's only got 26,874 on the odometer. So that tells you this car has not been driven much. Sorry, I'm trying to show you those door seams. And again, this car looks like it's got all the original interior. Those are original sill plates. Looks like it's got the original carpet still in it. Bucket seats, console. Couple little brakes in your steering wheel. Again, I've got some pictures. They put an aftermarket stereo system in it. Matter of fact, it's something that I don't even know what it is. Factory gauges, 26,874 on your odometer. Even the factory Cyclone tach, I think those are 400 bucks. It's got a Sony MD-CD. It's got some kind of disc thing in there. I've never even seen it. I'm not a radio guy though. Aftermarket gauges down below and up top worked. The only thing that's not working in there is the clock. Like I say, all the turn signals, interior lighting and that kind of stuff worked. Dual exhaust. It's got a factory 325 rear end. They put new shocks on it. You can see that. I didn't see where they had cut any quarters or anything like that on there, and the floors look original. Now this is I said CIA, AIC. Boy, did I say that backwards. This company researches cars, and they're showing that there's only 119 of these things left in the country. And that was as of 1998. You can see it's all just painted in here. There's a spare, no jack. And again, just not something you see much of. These cars are not easy to get your hands on. Again, very original underneath there. You know, like I say, you can pick it. It's not like it was a rotisserie restored car. Again, drove really well. Shifts out good. Original owner's manuals are in there. You can see the dash is in pretty doggone good shape too. It's not all split or busted up. Console's in good shape. Now that now looks like almost a newer door handle, but the gasket looks original. Car hit the road just outstanding. See that? Engine sounds good, like I say, nice and tight. It's got plenty of power. It's cars are super cool coming at you. Got good sound. Again, all these gauges were functional, except for the clock. Give a little rev so you can see that tach working. Tach works. Brake lights. Yep, you're good. Go ahead and put it back in park. You got it back in park? Go ahead and give it a rev. Sounds good. Like I say, radio works. Blower motor worked. Like I said, we just gotta check the wipers. Good oil pressure. The wipers didn't work, Gary, so we'll have to check them. Headlights. Here's your bright switch. Go ahead and click those back off. Toot your horn. Horn works. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at Southern. Go ahead and start to back up a little bit. You can keep track of us at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Nope, you're back in drive. There you go. Good, Garrett. Make sure you can subscribe to our. You go ahead and go out the drive now. Again, make sure you keep track of us. Keep track of us at southernmotors.com. You can also check us out on Facebook, Instagram. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. That sounds great. Give yourself plenty of room, Gary. Don't worry, we ain't got to rush. Have a great day, guys.